Senator Professor Sandy Ojang Onor is the presidential.
Power to the people.
Power to the people. The national chairman of our great party.
Because we have only one person that aspiring for the office of president come 2027. By God's grace, the PDP are ready, and our men and women are all across the federation. And inshallah, 2027 will be a great and a success for all Nigerians. As we deliberate, I wish all of us a successful.
That we have Professor Sandy Onor as the consensus candidate of our great party for the 2027 presidential election. Those in agreement say aye. Is anybody in disagreement? You can say no. So, the ayes have it.
Insecurity is fundamentally a function of rural poverty. Fundamentally, the product of rural poverty. If a lot of our young men and women who leave school get gainfully employed, they will not take to insecurity. If those who have not gone to school are engaged in one form of artisanship or the other, they will not go into recruitment, into banditry and all such things. As you do know, what we're having in the north is not religious. Fundamentally, it is economic. Fundamentally. I have also made the point that we must re-examine the funding of local governments. There is no territory in this country that is not a local government. The ungoverned spaces exist for the nurturing of this militancy because a lot of local governments are not funded. The president was courageous enough, I must give that to him, by going to the Supreme Court and asking that local government autonomy must be settled. And the Supreme Court justices said yes. But since then, what has happened? I will have the courage to insist, because I'm backed by law, that no governor must ambush local government funds. If local governments are properly funded, a lot of our young men and women will be meaningfully engaged at that level.
And it's been presented in the presence of the electoral manager, signed by the chairman of the electoral committee, His Excellency. The Board of Trustee Chairman, Senator Mao Ohuabunwa.